All right, best auto in Maricopa. So to start off with, my name is Sean Leonard. I have lived in Maricopa for 16 years, and I am a local real estate agent. So if you do know anybody looking to buy or sell a house, please let me know. The ones that I've used the most out in town is I've used Big O a few times. I have to say that the one that I can get into easiest is Firestone. I usually get decent service with them. It's just, and they're the quickest to get into. The one that I say has the best service in town, they're and the best pricing, and I absolutely love is Bono's Auto. The only drawback with them is that they are just so popular that it usually takes a good while to get in. Last time I tried to getting something fixed with them, it took me 3 weeks to get them to be able to take it. But absolutely phenomenal people. So I would say any of those choices, if you need to get your car fixed, are good options. But if you're looking for pricing and for just the small town type of auto repair, Bono's is by far the best. All right, thank you. And again, my name is Sean Leonard. I'm with Housing Around AZ, powered by King and Sky Realty. If you know anybody looking to buy or sell a home in Maricopa or in anywhere else around Arizona, we can help you out. Thank you.